basically you can see what their presentation style focuses on here. You can see it has an action title. It's not just a generic title on the slide. It has action and also what are the outcomes. Then we have the slide body, which as you can see is very data driven. It presents data in a visually pleasing way. We are going to try to mimic this presentation style, but basically once you put the prompt, it will generate something like this, which is really plain and really empty, which doesn't look good at all. So this is the limits of the free version. We have this outcome, which honestly, it is not bad for just a simple presentation. As you can see, all these PowerPoint presentation are all editable and you can change anything if you see any mistakes. Of course, it's not perfect. You need to check if all this data are correct. And the thing is, these tables that they are created is not actually tables. They are just shapes where you can just drag it around. So it has this limitation where you can't just put tables or images directly. It just uses simple shapes. And you can also edit all these shapes. I'm going to show you what NotebookLM's PowerPoint creation looks like. As you can see, this is what NotebookLM generated, which is really nice graphics and really detailed. Not necessarily McKinsey style yet, because I didn't put the prompt. This is what Claude generated. As you can see, it matches more of the McKinsey style. Very neat data, very nice style, and very detailed. I can just very visually clean. I can just view it and understand the data. You have the source,